it possible to build an $8 billion company without breaking a few people along the way?
Many people will break down. I think it's not normal to scale a company to this scale within 8 years of time, right? Especially outside of Silicon Valley, as I said. The curse also applies that we made every single mistake we shouldn't make. And when we make those mistakes, and a lot of them is people mistakes. We hire the wrong people. We've got people that develop the culture. People don't have first principle thinking. People don't want to roll up the sleeve and just do all the dirty work. Startup is not for everyone.